Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to activate Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to Google. Then go to all services here and here select settings for Google apps and here select search assistant and voice and here select general and here select Google Assistant. Already it is turned off. Okay, so if you want to activate Google Assistant, just turn on this button and click on turn on and Google Assistant will be activated. Okay, to use Google Assistant you go to long press on the home button and Google Assistant is now called off and it is ready to help you. Okay, settings ido pandren, that's like Google Assistant is telling now. Okay, it's in Tamil. Okay, and then now suppose if you want to activate it simply, you have other option. Okay, another method. For another method, just long press this power button, this home button. Here itself you can activate Google Assistant. Okay, just click on yak. So this means activate. Okay, in Tamil yak, in English it is activate. Okay, so click on this button and Google Assistant is immediately active. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate Google Assistant in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. You have two methods, through Google settings or through home button you can activate. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.